I just kind of wanted to get my way into a construction role, really. I had a look around and this was the best opportunity for me. Hi, my name is Molly and I'm studying construction and engineering at the Manchester College. I've got a few family members that were working in construction, so I just kind of wanted to get my way into a construction role, really. I had a look around and this was the best opportunity for me. You can do all sorts of architecture and surveying outside. I love all the software that you use. It's just amazing. On our course you do some surveying stuff, practical surveying, and then you can also do Revit, which is an architecture software, and you can do stuff like quantity surveying. At my industry placement, I worked with Willmott Dixon and I did a lot of site things like the daily diary, but I also worked really closely with the quantity surveyors, so I did a lot of markups and a few cost analysis sheets and monthly payments. After my T-level, I'm hoping to do a degree apprenticeship with Willmott Dixon, and I hope to be doing commercial stuff, mainly quantity surveying. The advice I'd give for someone looking to study a T-level is to just work hard while you're on it, show that you're meant to be there.